Good morning. This is Morten from English TV. I'm here with my good friend Bob Raus from HP. Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, sir.
I know you will have some busy days ahead of you, and I know there will be somebody soon coming in and see what you have to offer here. 4 pillars of customer success. This is now integrated deeply into PrintOS, right?
Absolutely. So what we've done actually is we've taken PrintOS and we are now combining it also with a holistic view on customer success. We like to think that we put the customer in the middle, and then we have PrintOS, of course, but we also have professional services, we have training, we have supplies, and many other areas to help the customer not just come on board and buy a press, but actually thrive and grow and take advantage of all the capabilities. Because what we've seen is that many of our customers, of course, very successful, but we know we can bring them to the next level or two if they take advantage of all that we have to offer. And there's so much more than just software and the press.
And when we just got a very brief tour here and also yesterday from your good colleague, Jean Alon, I understand that the 4 pillars is about preparing, being the creative part, the delivery part, and what was the last part? That was the grow part.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I guess that is quite interesting because, you can always think of a vendor as a company that always just wants to deliver software and solutions and hardware, right? Yep. But you actually have a strong emphasis on helping your customers growing, right?
No, exactly right. And I'm going to say we always have, to be honest. But what we're doing is we're internally we're creating more of a focus and more of an aligned delivery internally to bring a customer, I'm going to say almost like through waves of increased productivity and capability. So, of course, there's the initial training when you get a press, get it up and running, all good, okay. Then that's the preparation part. Then we get into the design part so that we're able to actually help customers create new value. So we show them tools and software, and not just software, but also the ability even on their production floor to be able to do new things.
Sorry to interrupt you, but one of the things that is also on the creative thing is that you have now the new eco mode, right? So on some of the printers, I guess that in the preparation of a job, you need to be able to see, okay, if I go on, let's say, less ink consumption and eco mode, what is the consequence of it, right? I guess that's also what you can do in the preparation, right?
Exactly. And so it's all about leveraging all of the advanced capabilities, quite frankly, that HP and Indigo have developed. And so, after create is deliver. And so that's actually running the press. But are you taking advantage of all the automation on the DFE? Are you taking advantage of EPM mode, of the eco mode? Are you taking advantage of all the technology, including PrintOS, for example, like color beat to manage your color consistency, to be automatically notified if your delta E drops, for example. And so you can stop and you can change a blanket or a pip and get back into that high quality. And the goal there is so that you have confidence in the pallets and the rolls that you're printing. Minimize the secondary QA inspections and so on, because you have the data that shows you're in control and that these are good products. So keep the press running, right?
And another thing that I also heard about yesterday that was at least new to me, probably not to you, is I think that's under the delivery pillar, and that is the production beat, right?
Yes.
Because that is like really cool, because now you're basically allowing non-HP technology to be included in your monitoring system, so you can basically see how your presses operate, also in conjunction with each other, right?
Absolutely right. So in PrintOS, we have the Productivity Power Pack, which the main app there is called PrintBeat. And PrintBeat, quite honestly, we have 25,000 devices connected to PrintOS.
Already?
And every one of them is using PrintBeat, okay? It's what the basis of the mobile app data and so forth is. And so the goal there is actually to leverage that PrintBeat infrastructure, those dashboards, and all of those reporting, and get the data through the APIs and everything else, but actually now extend that beyond Indigo only or HP only devices, Indigo page-wide latex. But the goal there is actually then to extend and try to connect different devices, HP and non-HP. I'm going to say smart devices and not intelligent devices, older things and so on, sensors and so forth, and collect that data back into PrintBeat and PrintOS so they can analyze and take full advantage of that.
And sorry, I said production beat, you say PrintBeat.
So PrintBeat is the app, but production beat,
okay,
you're absolutely right. is the new feature
Okay,
and the
okay.
new capability we're developing.
So I learned it a little bit yesterday,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
And I know that you have people coming in now, so and we promised to do it short. So Bob,
All right.
great talking to you.
It's a pleasure, my
and,
friend.
and have a good D-Scoop.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. We're really excited.